friends, how are you? Today I'm doing a scrapbook layout for Scrapbook Nerd. However, this sketch was originally made for cards, but I kind of took my own interpretation of it and am doing it for a layout. There is a scrapbook layout sketch that they have provided, but I took the card sketch because I really got inspired by it. And the specific part that I got inspired by was the different layers of paper, and so I wanted to do that on this layout, and just use different layers of paper. And I'm actually using some scraps here that I have partly used from the paper pad. If I didn't say, my name is Rachel. Did I even introduce myself? I think I just went straight into it. Hi guys, Rachel here. Anyway, let's continue. I loved the layers there, and so I wanted to try that. I'm using the crepe paper Magical Forest collection, and like I said, I had these scraps, and so I thought they would be perfect to use up in this way. So I love to do that before I grab new fresh papers. And I also just got a sewing machine, so I've been going a little crazy with the sewing, and I thought it would be cool to kind of outline some of those layers and then some of the little ephemera pieces. So that's what I did. I went a little overboard, maybe not overboard, but I am just a little sewing happy right now. So I thought that provided a nice texture for an otherwise kind of flat layout. I'm using a lot of clear stickers in this layout. This video is pretty short compared to most of my videos. And I don't really know, it just came together. I guess that's what happens when you do a sketch. Literally, 15 minutes it took me to make this layout, not long at all. And that's what I love about sketches. They just make things so easy, especially when they spark a fun idea. And I really love how this turned out. I ruffled up the edges of the papers and kind of slipped the different ephemera pieces. Oh my gosh, I realized it's windy. I'm so sorry if this recording is bad. I'm going to try and cover my microphone. I'm sitting outside. Anyway, so I kind of slipped these ephemera pieces into each of the layers, and I really like the look of that. And the purpose of this picture was because I was going to a meeting of sorts, I guess, regarding LGBTQ rights, and I was wearing lots of rainbow colors, and I posted a photo of myself on Instagram and put a bunch of rainbow hearts, and so I wanted to make sure I did include some rainbows as well into this layout. I don't know why I put these houses, but it actually turned out really cute. I really like it with the houses. I don't know, maybe because it's a picture of me and I'm literally at my house. I don't know. I just thought it looked cute, so there we go. But yeah, I put that little rainbow, and I love those clear stickers that make it look like little doodles. And I'm going to include some chipboard stars as well, and then some of those epoxy enamel kind of stars as well, to kind of create different textures, because like I said, this layout is a little bit flat. I usually put my photo up on foam, but I didn't for this one just because of the nature of this style of layout. I'm going to also use some mist spray on this layout because there's a lot of white space, and I thought the mist would kind of bring the black from the stickers together, and that thing that says your favorite, what does it say, you're my favorite star. I thought it kind of all brought it together, and so I'm going to splatter a little bit here and there and everywhere. And I do a little bit of journaling, but not too much, just kind of one sentence. Oh yeah, and I do bring in some of these really pretty enamel dots. Love them. This layout, or this picture, is from June 2019, and it was one that is kind of in my binder that for some reason I just haven't gotten to yet. And now I have, and I'm glad it's done because there are a ton after it that I've already done. I'm starting to catch up now, so it was good to get this one done because I hate when there's like one in the middle of your scrapbook that's not done yet. But I just, whenever I go for photos, there's not, it depends on what collection I'm using, and I knew I wanted to use the Magical Force collection, so it kind of worked out perfectly. So I think it looks pretty great. So here you go. Here's the close-up. I'm going to put the link down below for Scrapbook Nerd, where I got all these products from. It is a scrapbook shop in Canada, so if you're in Canada, you're going to want to check it out, and they have great new products all the time. So thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye!